Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel City Learner. Today we are going to discuss about line, ray and line segment. What is the line, ray and line segment? So lines are nothing but lines are extending on both sides with no endpoints. So it is going both sides up to infinity. And if we talking about ray is line with one endpoint is called ray. So if we draw a ray, it will be one side it will be point endpoint, another point it will going to infinity. So these are the rays. And so what is the line segment? Line segment is nothing but a line with two endpoints. That means it has endpoints on the both side of this line. It is called line segment. So it is on both sides it is has endpoints. Thank you.